Enhance your safety with advanced collision alert technology. This is item 68743. 68743. This is the braking bar collision alert system. This system features ultra bright pulsating LEDs that activate when you hard brake. Anything over, when you're going over 30 miles per hour, it'll do that. So drivers can react up to 50% time faster from coming behind you and hitting you. This is great if you live somewhere in the winters too. That happens more often. A built-in motion sensor, so that detects the braking of 160 times per second. Easy installation, no wiring is required. It has a long-lasting built-in lithium battery that lasts approximately 4 years. Ideals for family, new drivers, fleet vehicles, dealers, and just because you want some extra safety because other people don't know how to drive. It's also won the SMA Launchpad Award, and this can be yours for $49.99.